I've talked about one of my favorite simple Trello power-ups a couple times here on the channel. It's the Trello Dashcards. But one thing that took me a little longer than it should have to figure out how to do is how to edit a dashcard I already created. And I can't even tell you how many times I had a dashcard and then I was like, oh, I want to do something different with it. And I would just delete the dashcard and start from scratch. But you don't have to do that. So this week, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to edit an existing Trello dashcard. But before we dive into that, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so that you never miss a tutorial or upload. Okay, so I'll keep this short and sweet, and it's super simple, but it took me a while to find it. So if you have an existing dashcard and you want to edit the filters, edit the conditions, you're simply going to click into your dashcard, and then you're going to scroll down here to where it says Explore and Edit. Go ahead and click on that right there. And then you'll see here, these are the same filters we had when we were creating this dashcard. So you're going to hit Edit Filters, and you can update this here if you want to be looking at a different board or a different list. And then you've got this More Filters option, which is going to give you the standard options of like assignee, whether it's complete or not, created, labels, all that good stuff. And then it will also include your custom fields that you may have on that particular board so that you can filter based off of that as well. And then all you have to do is hit save, and that will update the data that your dash card is rolling up for you. Like, so easy, right? I don't know why it took me so long to find that. It wasn't until I upgraded my Trello account and I started using dash cards with custom fields that really drew my attention to that little section in the card. So I hope that that helps you out. The online tools for your business do not need to be complicated or overwhelming. It's time to let it be easy.